Hello children, today we will learn 20 lines essay on peacock. First point, peacock is one of the most colorful and beautiful creature on the earth. Second point, the female peacock is called a peahen. Third point, peacock has a beautiful blue color, long neck and small eyes. Fourth point, peacock has a huge tail. Fifth point, the peacock legs are long and ugly. Sixth point, peacock has a beautiful crest or a crown on its head. Seventh point, it has long, colorful blue and green feathers. Eighth point, peacock is seen in forests, hills, mountains, zoos, sanctuaries and other natural places. Ninth point, peacock is mostly found in Asian countries. 10th point, the peacock is also known as a friend of the farmers because it saves the crop by eating harmful insects present in the fields. 11th point, the peacock eats fruits, seeds, worms, insects and snakes. 12th point, the sound of peacock is very loud, sweet and clear, which can be heard from 2 kilometers away. 13th point, peacocks can fly up to some height of branches but cannot fly in the sky. 14th point, peacocks look beautiful when it spreads its colorful feathers to dance in rainy season with full joy. 15th point, people uses the peacock feather for decoration purposes. 16th point, they are very alert in nature, make shrill sounds when they see any danger. 17th point, peacock feathers are found in the crown of Lord Krishna. 18th point, peacocks are very shy as they avoid people and try to hide in the bushes. 19th point, peacock is the national bird of India. Last point, the life of peacock is generally up to 10 to 25 years. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.